I am so lazy today. I almost couldn't make my salad, but I wanted to make a piece of fish. And this piece of sea bass came right out of the canal. It was caught 3 hours ago. Look how beautiful it is. So and I love sushi, so this is how I'm gonna eat it. There's no recipe, and that's cilantro. And I'm putting a little bit of this Asian teriyaki sauce on it. Not a lot. Seasoned rice vinegar. I use this a lot sometimes on my salad. Just this. Squeezed ginger. Always on hand. Of course, fresh is better. And some pure Japanese sesame oil. That's it. So what am I going to do? All I'm going to do is toss this and then eat it. And I'm surely going to enjoy this. And what makes me more happy about this, I'm not using the stove or anything. Nothing to clean up. Put the bowl right in the dishwasher. And this is a nice flavor. So, that's my dinner, and I hope you enjoy it. Lazy man's way.